Hi my dear students, today we're going to talk about the magnetism. Magnetism or the magnet was discovered in 2000 years ago by ancient Greek found a type of rock located in an area called Magnesia. This type of the magnet is a natural magnet. Okay, then after that they divide the magnet into two types. Natural magnet, artificial magnet. Natural magnet is made by iron ores which has black rock and called magnetite. So the natural magnet is made by iron ores which is black in color, which is black rock, and called in other name is magnetite. Attraction force is called magnetism. So we have to know the place which discovered the magnet is called Magnesia. And the attraction force is called magnetism, and the natural magnet is called magnetite. What about the artificial one? The artificial magnet is made by man-made. And we have different type for this magnet. The first one is bar magnet, ring magnet, magnetic needle, and bar magnet, rectangular magnet, and horseshoe magnet. So we have different type of artificial magnet again: bar magnet, ring magnet, which we use it in the telephone, magnetic needle, which we use it in the compass, rectangular magnet, and horseshoe magnet. These are the different type of artificial magnet. So now we was talking about the type of magnet, and we said that there are natural magnet, which is made of iron ores and have a black color or black rock, which is called magnetite. And we say the attraction force is called magnetism, and the artificial magnet is have a different shape: horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, ring magnet, U-shaped magnet, and rectangular magnet. Now we're going to say we have different material. The first one is magnetic material, and non-magnetic material. What is the magnetic material? Magnetic material is they are the material which is attracted by the magnet. But non-magnetic material, they are the material which not attract to the magnet. Again, magnetic material are attracted to the magnet, they are material attracted to the magnet, but non-magnetic material, they are not attracted to the magnet. Which material are attracted to the magnet? There are different material which are attracted to the magnet. Here we are. We have iron are attracted to the magnet, nickel, copper, and stainless steel. Those are attracted to the magnet. They are magnetic material. Here is the question. Give reason why iron or nickel are a magnetic material. Because they are attracted to the magnet. In other side, the material which are not attracted to the magnet, aluminium, wood, glass, chalk, plastic. Those are material which are not attracted to the magnet. Here is the question, give reason. Aluminium and wood are not attracted to the magnet because they are non-magnetic material. Here is the iron. If you see here, this is the iron file. Those, if I get the magnet, they will be easy attract to the magnet. As you see here, it's easy to attract to the magnet because they are magnetic material. If you have a glass and you can get the magnet, do not attract the magnet, give reason because they are non-magnetic material, which is difficult to be attracted to the magnet. Here is iron, the wood. If I try to attract this one, it will be easy attracted. Here, it will be easy to attract it because they are magnetic material. Okay, you see the attraction force. But on the other side, the wood not attracted to the magnet because it's a non-magnetic material. Now, you have to know the definition of magnetic material. They are material which are attracted to the magnet, and the non-magnetic material, they are materials which are not attracted to the magnet. We have now to know the property of the magnet. What is the property of the magnet? The first of all, you have to know that the magnet has two poles, north pole and the south pole. Here we are. We have north pole, N, the symbol is N, and the south pole, which is the symbol is S. Okay. Why it's called north pole? Because it goes to the north direction. It's direct to the north direction. Okay? And why it's called south pole? Because it goes to the south direction. Okay? And if you try to put a string around the polar magnet, you will see that the north take the north direction and the south take the south direction. So the magnetic pole pole. They are named by North Pole and South. Okay? So, in other definition, when I ask you define the magnetic poles, or in the scientific term, the area of the magnet which attract a greater number of paper clips or dot, or which one is the magnetic pole. So they are the area of the magnet which attract a greater number of paper clips, are the magnetic pole. Why? Because in the center of the magnet there is no attraction. It's zero. No attraction force. But in the two poles, north or south, the most attraction force. That's why we say two poles is the most attraction force, which is north and south. Now we're going to talk about the magnetic field. Magnetic field is the space around the magnet. The space around the magnet, okay, in which the effect of magnetic force appear. In the middle is invisible. The magnetic force is invisible, and here is no attraction force. So I will see the magnet will be more effect in the two poles of the magnet, but in the middle of the magnet there is no attraction force because it's zero. So the magnetic field is the space around the magnet. Here we have a magnet, and if I'm trying to put some of the I find around the magnet, I will see that all the iron fine will direct it to the two poles and not affect in the middle of the magnet. That's why it's proved that the magnetic force in the middle of the magnet is zero, or there is no magnetic force, and the magnetic force is in the two poles of the magnet. So the greatest force of the magnet occur at the two poles. The greatest force of the magnet occur at the two poles, and the magnetic force is the space around the magnet. So you have two definitions. You have to recognize the difference between them: the magnetic field and the magnetic force. Magnetic field and the magnetic force. Magnetic force is meaning the two poles of the magnet. Magnetic field is the space around the magnet. Compass. We say that the compass is made by a magnetic needle, which used to know the four direction of the four main direction, which is the north and the south, east, west. Of course, you know that Chinese used the magnet rock and found out that it's hang freely. One of its two ends indicate the north direction. Chinese major general led his army through the dense foggy area depending on these methods. That's why they try to use the compass to know the direction by this tool. Okay, So the compass used to identify the 4 geographical direction, to know their places, if it's east, west, north, south, to be easy to know the way where they are going to. Summarize to our lesson, we was talking about, we talk about the magnet, and who discovered it by ancient Greek and 2,000 years ago, and the type of magnet, which is natural magnet and artificial magnet. The natural magnet, which is made by iron ores and it has a black rock, its color is black, and it's called magnetite, and the attraction force is called magnetism. And we know the artificial one have a different shape, like the U-shaped magnet, horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, rectangular magnet, ring magnet, and needle magnet. Then we talk about the magnetic and non-magnetic material. We say the magnetic material are material which is attracted by the magnet, like iron, nickel, copper, stainless steel. But the non-magnetic material, they are material which are not attracted to the magnet, like paper, aluminium, wood, glass, chalk. Then we talk about the property of the magnet. We say that they have 2 poles, North Pole and the South Pole, and 2 poles which are the area of the magnet which attract a greater number of paper clips are the 2 ends of the magnet. And then we know that there is a directions. In the North Pole it's called north because it's direct to the north direction, and the South Pole is called south because it's direct to the south direction. Then we talk about the magnetic force, or magnetic field, which is the space around the magnet in which the effect of magnetic force appear through. And this magnetic force is invisible. You can see it. You cannot see it, okay? Then we talk about the compass, and we say that the compass is used by Chinese to know or identify the 4 geographical direction. I hope that lesson is easy to study, and thanks for listening to the lesson. See you soon. Bye bye.